So hey guys, I spent a couple weeks on the front cap here. So stick around, I'll give you a little closer look at it, see what we got. Welcome back to the School of Ratrodology and a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Ratrod Bob and I build stuff. So I'm making some mods to the front cap, making it better. You remember I had bolts there and up here. Well, I cut those brackets off of that and took those nuts off of that. And I made some clips out of 18 gauge of fiberglass to bend. This is gonna lock on the bottom. These are gonna lock on the top. Hadn't fitted it yet. I mean, it's supposed to fit. I'm finding it out right now. Yeah, that'll work. Now they got 4 bolts, 1 in each corner. I got rivets I got to grind down and body filler that I use to hold those clips on temporarily to fiberglass them in. And that's what they look like on the inside. You see the top clips. And there's one of the bottom ones. There's the other bottom one down there. Yeah. It's gonna be great. So that's my latch. I'll show you close up over a minute. I got kickstand or hood prop, whatever you want to call it. It slips in right there. This got a spring right there. You just push down, lock it in, and it holds it in place. Got a stop up under there so it won't come loose. Push down. Hood prop. Good simple stuff. Won't have to worry about cable breaking or trick hood hinges not working. So yeah, we good. Yeah, engine bay is full of engine. Wall-to-wall engine. But not finished yet. I got my small cap distributor fixed, I believe. So in the near future, I'm gonna put it back in and run some plug wires the right way. Cool looking. But yeah, it all fits. Everything fits. It's a tight fit, but it fits. That's a big old motor for that little car. Or to scoot on down the road for sure. Yeah. Works great. Right there. Cool. Really cool. So the way this works, this is spring loaded. I got a spring under it. I don't know if you see it or not. You push down on it and turn it and lock it. I got a roll pin. I'll show you this other end. What happens, that pin and that roll pin goes down in that hole, and that roll pin this way, when you turn that latch, push down on it, turn it, it locks it in from the bottom. And I got a couple stops on the back side or the bottom so it won't turn this way. Once you push it down, lock it, it stays there. Yeah, that's all homemade stuff. That's unlocked. Push down on it, turn it, that's locked. Rust-Oleum chrome paint, I don't recommend it. It got dull already. Probably dirty, my dirty hands probably, but yeah, Rust-Oleum chrome paint. I put some Rust-Oleum chrome on the hinges too. I hadn't been touching that, so it looks better. But this, you see this doesn't get dull already, just me touching it. So I don't know about the Rust-Oleum chrome paint. I think I'm just gonna get some bright silver or spray it, be done with it. But I got the shocks mounted, front shocks. I got the headlight. Got the headlights mounted. I don't have them wired up, but I got them mounted. They mount the headlights. Mount to the shock mount. After I modified the shock mount didn't come that way, but I modified it so the headlight would bolt up to the shock mount. So I got the headlights mounted, shocks mounted. I got the front cap roughed in. I still got this fine tuning on the sanding, and you put a slick coat on it. You see it's kind of got some rough spots. But I've been working like 2 weeks on this front cap, making everything fit. You see, I got pretty much all the gaps, like really close. It ain't perfect, but it's close enough. You see here, I put this piece in. I rounded this and that because the way it was, the hood edge come down like this, and when you open the hood it would hit right there, so I had to round that off to keep the hood from hitting when you open it. So I rounded off. Still got to do some fine tuning on it. It ain't perfect, but it's close. Really close. You see it's got some rough spots. Side panels got a few rough spots, a little wavy, so I still got to fine tune the finish. But I think I got everything fitting like really close. The gaps, I could live with it. I need a little bit, maybe a little bit more gap right there, maybe a little bit more gap right here. But it's close, really close. My four-holer, I got some chrome, some of that plastic bad Chad chrome trim. I was gonna put around on it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna leave it black for now anyway. So move along to other things. Not spend a lot of time on that little penny ante stuff. Maybe later. Maybe I'll get the car built. I might come back and chrome it out a little bit or whatever. Probably not though. Probably be just like this forever. But yeah, this is just a piece of 5/8 round rod I put in a lathe and spun it and got my flat wheel sander and shaped that. Welded it to a piece of flat bar. Got a stud. This is a nut and a spacer welded together or shaped up. Got a spring in there. Yeah, I saw it wasn't easy to make that. I mean, it took me like all day to figure out how to make it in my design chair, another day to make it. So, but I got it done. That's what I wanted, just a regular old hood latch and a combination hood ornament and hood latch. But the Rust-Oleum chrome is not holding up. I'm gonna put some silver on it, kind of match the grill, something like that. So that's what I'm doing. Buy some silver, I'll repaint the grill and paint that hood ornament, hood latch, combination ornament latch, and these hinges, all the same color. Probably do the trunk hinges that color too. But I got all the bolts, most of the bolts out. I got them clips to hold that in, bottom and top, and I just got one bolt in each corner of that. Headlight buckets come with a wrinkle finish. Don't match the rest of the car, so I'm had to sand them down and repaint them too before it's over with. I don't know, it looks alright. I mean, I ain't worried about it right now, but it could be better. Shocks don't have a whole lot of travel, but yeah, this thing's coming along. Like I said, I spent like 2 weeks getting all these panels fitting, slicked up. You remember the hood had a big old dip on that side. I got that straightened out pretty much. It still needs some fine tuning, but it looks a whole lot better than what it did. I think it looks a lot better than it did, but most of the gaps are looking pretty good. I'm digging it. Red's digging it. Red's digging it. I'm about to charge this battery up, put it to work. Yeah. The inside's a mess. So now I got the front pretty much, except for a front bumper. I don't have a front bumper yet. I'm take like an 1.5 inch pipe, make kind of a pointed bumper or something up here. So I still got that to do too, and I'll be done completely with the front end. It's really close now, but I need to get that bumper to be finished with it. And then I can start moving back. I got to build a dash from scratch. I don't have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm gonna figure it out. Hadn't done anything to the trunk lid yet. I still need to widen the gaps up on that and get it fitting better on the bottom. I got the hinges made, I just don't have them installed yet. They look just like the hood hinges. And I got a latch. I'll show you what I got. So this is a Model A trunk latch. And this is a handle for camper top door, actually what that is. And it fits in there. So I gotta make a striker plate, but that's gonna be my trunk latch eventually. Chrome. I don't know about that. It's kind of cheesy, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna run with it for now. Yeah, trunk latch. And I got the hinges made, like I said, same as for the hood, so gotta get to work on that too. I'm getting it, I just ain't got it yet. Appreciate you. See you next time.